So now we're at the end of this course, and this last module is about the content writing business model. And this is for anyone who's interested in building a long-term asset for themselves in the form of a content writing business. So why should you make a content writing business? Let's take a look at that first. There are many reasons to build your own content writing business. The first of these is that you can scale your knowledge of content writing. जो भी आपने इस कोर्स में और अपने एक्सपीरियंस से सीखा है about the content writing industry, if you're interested in growing that further and taking it up a notch by scaling it, so a content writing business is a very good outlet for all of your knowledge. Another benefit of establishing a content writing business is that you get to 10x your potential earnings. A content writing business आपको बहुत opportunities देता है to take up more work, because as a single freelancer you will be limited in the time that you have, and there will only be a limited number of projects that you can do in a day. But if you have a scaled content writing business जिसमें आपके writers की team different projects पे काम कर रही होगी and different clients को cater कर रही होगी, so that is an excellent way to take up more projects, so you don't miss out on any big projects that are high paying, and hence you get to multiply your potential earnings. Then it is also a very good thing to have a business to your name. It's a very nice addition to your portfolio, and it is also a relatively easy business to set up because इसमें learning curve इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता, and compared to other businesses it is quicker and more convenient to set up because you can even do this entirely online and you can manage your teams remotely. A content writing business also lays the foundation to establishing your own profile as a trainer. So जब आप एक content writing business owner बन जाते हैं, you can even promote yourself as a content writing trainer who teaches the skill of content writing to aspiring new writers, and you will establish yourself as someone who is giving new writers earning opportunities and also the opportunities to learn the skill better and apply it more practically in a way that also enables them to create a living from it. And finally, the biggest benefit of creating your content writing business is that you get to save your hours. आपके घंटे सेव होंगे because when you're working as a sole freelance copywriter, तो आपके दिन के बहुत घंटे लगेंगे and you'll be writing the whole day, which is fine for someone who's passionate about writing. But if you convert your skill set into a content writing business, so you will be saving a lot of your hours that you would otherwise be spending on writing for hours and hours on end. So who is the content writing business for? This business is for someone who doesn't have the time to write. अगर आपके already दिन के घंटे कम हैं, then going for the content writing business will be a better option for you. It is also for industry experts who want to transfer their knowledge. So you can definitely juggle both things. If you're someone who is passionate about writing, you will be writing a lot on your own as well. But at the same time, you will also be managing a content writing team, and you will be in a continuous process of transferring your industry knowledge to the writers who work for you, who are catering to all of the different clients that are using the content writing services of your business. And इसी तरह, if you want to target one particular industry, so for example you want to cater to one niche of healthcare and you want to be a healthcare writer, तो उसमें भी आप अपने content writing business को scale कर सकते हैं. If you've been writing as a healthcare writer, you can maybe gather a team of healthcare experts who are willing to write content on a regular basis and provide content writing services to other healthcare brands. And lastly, the content writing business is for anyone who is passionate about content writing. So what do you need to know in order to build your content writing business? You need to know how to hire the right talent, how to do talent hunting. You need to know how to establish efficient systems. आपको एक content writing business चलाने के लिए क्या systems चाहिए, किस तरह के operations चाहिए in order to make sure that your business runs smoothly, how to streamline your projects and task delegation. And all of these things, for whoever is interested, you can learn them in another course in this VBC, which is called Content Writing Business. इस course में content and copywriting business model को समझाया गया है, and you can learn the ins and outs of the content writing business and learn how to build a business from ground zero and grow it to a level where it is completely scaled and starts to generate high amounts of revenue and profit, and it truly becomes an asset to your name. So this brings us to the end of this course. I hope you had a good time learning the ins and outs of the content and copywriting industry. Remember, with practice and dedication, you can definitely master the skill of content writing and copywriting, and learning these skills will definitely pay you off because they're very high paying, especially in today's digital age, and the demand for these skills is growing by the day, and it is a skill that you can enjoy while learning and practicing it because it gives you a lot of exposure to different industries. So start practicing, start writing, and I hope that you have a lot of success in this field.